something to get used to. It shows control. It shows control of the vehicle. We're going to go straight at the lights. And I'm just scanning far left, center, right, far left, center, right. Just kind of sweeping the intersection.
Should I have stopped there?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
No, because you would have come to a really hard stop.
Okay.
Possibly even not been able to stop before the line. You might stop because the cars were at that speed. They're 50.
Yeah.
And it takes about 3 seconds or so for the car to come to a full stop. So the point of no return is about 3 seconds back before the line. And that's quite a bit. 3 seconds is pretty far away at different speeds. So no, that was fine. You were what they call past the point of no return. It's a good thing we got the yellow lights off.
Yeah.
Imagine that. It just goes from green to red.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Chaos. It's not like, if the light turns yellow, it's not like everybody on the sides are going to start jumping on their gas right away, right?
Yeah.
At this intersection here, we're going to make a right turn. And you're slowing down at the right time. You're using your signal at the right time. Checking that mirror. And front bumper shouldn't go past the first thick line here. Excellent. Right on. Perfect. Take this road all the way back around to 2nd Avenue. I like this road. It's got a lot of curves. Parked vehicles just look for feet under the vehicle. Might be somebody standing in front of it, a short person or something. You might just see the feet underneath.
Yeah.
And then going around the vehicle a door length in case somebody opens the door. I'm looking far ahead. I see a road sign and a road marking showing us that we have a train track coming over here. So this is a pretty good speed, maybe a little bit slower. Just check left and right for any trains coming. And not just trains either. You get those pickup trucks, the workers.
Yeah.
Train goes on. I don't like where this pole is right here on a corner.
Yeah, that's...
If the road was icy, if you're going too fast,